If you're a dictator, how would you rig an election? You could jail your opponent. You could ban them from contesting the election. You could even raise their political identity by denying them their election symbol. The nuclear option is to rig the vote. That's what most dictators would do, and Pakistan's military is no different. They did everything on this dictator's checklist, but they could not hide the rigging because now an insider has blown the whistle.
मैं वो इलेक्शन ठीक नहीं करवा सका और मैं अपने ओहदे से यहाँ इस्तीफा दे रहा हूँ। मैंने जो इस इलेक्शन में गलत काम किया है, रावलपिंडी के 13 एमएनए की सीटें जो हारी हुई लोगों को हमने जितवाया है, लोगों की 70 हजार की लीड को हमने उनकी शिकस्त में बदला है।
That man is Liaquat Ali Chattha. He was the election commissioner from the Rawalpindi. He rigged the votes out there. He turned loser into winner. Some candidates had a lead as much as 70,000. Liaquat Ali Chattha has revealed all these votes and victory was stolen from at least 13 candidates. Who were these candidates? They were the independent from Imran Khan's party. The military stole their seats. After months of trying to weaken the party, you know that the story from jailing Imran Khan to banning from the airways to taking away his party symbol, the bat, they did everything. But Imran Khan's independence defeated the odds. That's when the journals went ahead and stole the votes. Chattha's confession is revealing but not surprising at all. He said he was forced to change the votes by whom. He has given two names. The first one is a chief election commissioner. His name is Sikandar Sultan Raja. He's a civil servant, the same official who came out after polling and announced the delay in counting the results. But the fun part is the second character in this drama is more significant. He is the Chief Justice of Pakistan Supreme Court, Qazi Faiz Isa. When Imran Khan was a prime minister, at that time, Qazi Isa was just a judge for the Supreme Court. Imran Khan's government accused Justice Isa for a corruption, and they tried to get this judge dismissed, but they did not succeed. Long story short, that was not Imran Khan's government. Instead, it was General Bajwa who was pulling the strings from the behind. And a few months later, Justice Isa was elevated to the top job. He became the Chief Justice of Pakistan. He was the judge who took away the bat symbol from Imran Khan's party, PTI. Imran Khan tried his best to build the relation. In November last year, he wrote a letter to Justice Isa urging him to protect his party's fundamental rights. Chief Justice Isa responded with a letter of his own. This is what he wrote. CJP, Chief Justice of Pakistan Isa, will neither be pressured nor favor anyone. That's what he wrote, but now he is being implicated in the election rigging. Of course, he denies all these allegations, but Imran Khan's supporters are not convinced. They have been protesting and demanding the release of their leader. Over the weekend, 4 Pakistani cities saw major protest: Islamabad, Karachi, Peshawar, and Lahore. There was another internet shutdown. Twitter, or X, was down in Pakistan. Authorities say the shutdown was in response to quote-unquote recent incident of terrorism in Pakistan. But it's not really rocket science to figure out why they did it. News about Liaquat Ali Chattha's confession was spreading, and Pakistan deep state wanted the story to die down. Well, we have news for them. It's not dying. it is snowballing. Commissioner Liaquat Ali Chattha was arrested by the local police, but no FIR was registered at all. It has been told that he's being tortured. Well, I'm not surprised. A journalist released yet another video. It features a journalist showing fake ballot papers. These claims are serious and compelling. They're also raising tension. Pakistan's mandate was tampered with, the execution was shoddy, and the results disastrous. All media channels are scared to publish this news in a national TV. But the Pakistan military is being allowed to get away with all of it. Not only by Pakistan's supposedly free institution, but also by the likes of the United States. They have given Rawalpindi a clean chit. I mentioned my last short YouTube yesterday. The United States Department called the election clearly competitive.
We congratulate the Pakistani people, first of all, for participating on the election on Thursday. It was clearly a competitive election in which people were able to exercise their choice.
That's the term they used to mention of the rigging, despite the smoking guns. And now there's a confession to back up the claims. It's remained to be seen how the military will clean up this mess and how Western ally will justify it. And I'm keeping my fingers crossed